He currently works as a research and design lead at Produce Pay, which is the world's fastest growing ag tech company, providing a predictable e-commerce platform for produce businesses to reliably buy and sell produce, as well as get farmer-friendly financial products to grow their operations. And for the past 6 years, Caden has been running a podcast called The Way of Product. And on the podcast, he invites guests to discuss various topics related to creating products that people would want to share with their friends and colleagues. And Caden believes that you can tell a product is great if it has free word of mouth marketing. Caden, welcome to the show, man. I am so excited to have you on. How's it going?
Well, it's glad to be on the other side of this. I'm just glad to be on the other side of this and not have the pressure of it's all on you to make sure this runs well, I bet. So
oh man. It's all on me. I never thought of it that way. Thanks a lot, man. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I'm a guest, man. Like, I shouldn't be worrying at all. But yeah, Jeremy, thanks for